How to fix any type of app crash or lag on your Android device. First of all, what you need to do is make sure that you have memory. If you don't have memory, you can clear memory from your device, or you can just go ahead and tap on this app icon and clear some cache. So after you do this, try opening the app. If it is still crashing, you should clear the cache of the app. Just go ahead and select the app which is really in doubt. After you do this, just go ahead and tap on its settings. Once you do that, scroll a bit down and you can find storage. Go ahead and tap on storage and you can see some data has been stored. Let's go ahead and clear the data. Go ahead and tap on it on the bottom left hand side and click on delete. Once you do this, all of the data will now be cleared. Just go ahead and try opening the app. If it is successful, congratulations. If not, what you need to do is reinstall the app. Just go ahead and tap on it, go to uninstall, go ahead and tap on uninstall, go ahead and tap on OK, and then go to the Play Store and reinstall it once again. This might fix your app crash or lag. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.